Welcome the our channel. Today we how to connect with Harvard Online, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Harvard Online Learning website. On the home page, look for the Browse Courses section. Click on it to explore the available courses. Filter courses by subject or level to find what interests you. Select a course to view its details. Read the course description to understand the content and requirements. Check the course schedule for start dates and duration. Next, look for the Enrollment button. Click on Enroll Now to begin the registration process. If you already have an account, log in with your credentials. If not, create a new account by filling in the required information. Once logged in or registered, confirm your enrollment in the course. You may need to provide payment information if the course is not free. After enrollment, navigate to your dashboard. Locate your enrolled course under the My Courses section. Click on the course title to access the learning materials. Familiarize yourself with the course structure and resources provided. Participate in discussion forums and connect with fellow learners. Utilize any available support resources if you have questions. Stay updated on assignment deadlines and exam schedules. Engage with course content regularly for the best learning experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.